Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a travel poster with custom shapes. Start with a blue gradient background and add a sun shape using custom shape tool. Now draw mountains and clouds using built-in shapes. Use multiple layers to build a landscape and add a plane shape flying above. Adjust size for depth perspectives. Now add your travel text title. Use blending mode overlay on sunlight for glow. This looks like a professional vector travel poster, all made quickly with the custom shape tool. Thanks for